Hello guys, welcome to Any Game Tuesday, the only day of the week where I cannot think of a proper name than Any Game Tuesday, but it has a ring to it and I stuck with it, even though if you think about it, it doesn't make much sense. Anyway, so let's play first Planet Smash now. If you shoot a laser to the sun, apparently, it can explode. Hey Earth, would you like your sun to be lasered to death? No, too bad, I'm doing it anyway. Can't shoot the sun. Oh, I made the sun sad. It's exploding. I don't know what that notification is about. Exploding and its Earth is sad. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Very bad stuff is happening. The Earth is glowing. Is it gonna explode? It's gonna explode, isn't it? Yeah, it explodes. So anyway, let's see the other planets, cause... Huh? What happened? Why is there only Earth now? Oh no, I just made Solar Smash very sad. I'll come back to you. So before that string of events happens, let's go to Purple Planet, because Mars is like the same, has the same sun, obviously. That's if you're like a flat earther, because you don't believe in like a sun out there. You believe Mars is a star for some reason. I still can't believe flat earthers still a thing. But here I am, debunking them every Friday. Yes, I am shamelessly promoting my Conspiracy Fridays. Can I not tire the blue sun? If I were to guess this, I think one of the Keplers has binary sun system. This is like, I think this is inspired by like Sirius A and Sirius B, except the big star is supposed to be blue, but whatever. Binary suns are cool. Let's explode. Oh, and the blue sun also died. So yeah, I don't know if that's accurate. Probably not. It's not. Oh, okay. If the wait, I have a important question. Will the planet instantly explode? That's Ganymede, by the way. The moon that's a moon next to the purple planet. Yeah. You have a force field on, hey? Which makes me very sad, but can your force field survive your sun freaking exploding? First, you have to like blow off your force field a bit. It's getting boring. Oh, okay. Let's make it strong. So this process is gonna be faster. There you go, it's broken now, hey. So now let's laser the gosh darn sun. Oh, I guess the sun will get rid of the force field. Oh, it still has its force fields. So this is not a very effective planet. Oh, you should mess around with it. Okay, this opens a whole list of possibilities. Yes, but this is not the best one because it's force field thing. You, however, you still have the same sun as Earth, but like, because you're Venus, I think, so But still, we can do all sorts of fun stuff. Explode, please. Could you please explode? Okay. How about we pew pew, you know? Just to make your life more of a mess. You know, yeah. Oh, we could bring a black hole. Ooh, a moon. Cause you're not going enough pain. Oh, and a black hole, cause why not? Oh, the black hole has no point now. Other than to suck up the fragments of the dead planet. And this is terraforming Mars. Oh, we're gonna have some fun. Okay, destroy the sun, you know. Yes, cause yes and yes. That's why. Oh, you think that wasn't enough? Oh no, we need black holes, cause why not? Yeah, we also need a strong laser. Cause why the hell not? Yep. So beautiful. Anyway. Now let's just mess around some more. Now, this pause button here. It's pretty useful. And I messed up. Nice. Why do you have... What happened? Oh, okay. I don't know what happened, but I did. Oh no, I made the game sad again. Oh, nothing works. Oh, things still work, okay. Why does no attack work anymore? I made the game sad. Again. I'll come back to you. Okay, so we're back, and let's pause, because I want to do every disaster, because why not? It's a fun thing. So as I unpause, the Earth will be experiencing serious sadness, I think. Oh boy, okay, and if that's not enough, actually let's change it. Oh boy, it's a beautiful sight. While that's happening, I'm just gonna, and the finale will be the sun exploding. Oh, it's gonna be mighty. Wait a minute. Oh, yes. Yes, this is good. Okay. Now slow time down. Oh no. As soon as alien cannon loads up, I'm gonna explode the sun, cause frick it. There, okay, it's good, going good so far. Oh, the moon is doing great job, good job, moon. And behind, it's a beautiful background. Oh no, okay, let's just analyze this beautiful scene. We have Cthulhu just taking a chunk of America, cause why not? Then we have the space worm about to come here, and then we have like the asteroid, the moon already hit with a big crater mark. It's so big, but so beautiful size. Also, space worm is coming. Okay, so yeah. Oh no! Oh, I forgot to put on slow motion. Okay, if you just don't look behind you, you don't see anything bad. But when you do, lots of things happen. Yeah. I don't like the sounds of this game. What's making that sounds? Is it you, Space Worm? Oh, it's the alien probe that still hasn't loaded. Dude, you have to hurry up. At this point, there will be no planet left to shoot. Finally, the Space Worm gets to eat. And they're surrounded by the mess of the sun. Fragments. I think the Earth's gonna explode before, like, the alien cannon is done. I noticed that's not going deeper because it's hot. Oh, it is. Never mind. It goes right when the Earth is supposed to explode. So, yeah. So, you're gonna be staying here for a while. Wow, this Earth isn't exploding. I just said the Earth isn't exploding and the Earth exploded. Anyway, let's move on to System Smash. Okay, so let's mess around. Okay, so we got Earth here. Hello, can I zoom in, please? Thank you. Oh no. Oh, okay. Sure up, I'm not moving the sun. What happens if you move the sun to, like... Oh, you could just move planets the whole time with it like this. Oh, that would be convenient for me last episode. Hey, Mercury, it would be a shame if you got rammed onto by the sun, wouldn't it? Yeah, such a shame. Hello, Venus. You doing good? And, oh, it's not crashing. It's figured it out. While Earth, it's just straight up beating itself. Hey, Jupiter, how are you doing there? Jupiter's just straight up eating himself. Well, come down there, Ranger. Ranger, come down. Go back, please. Thank you. How about you go back to, like, Mars, you know? Oh, what you doing? Like, I'm speed back there. Oh, yes. Where are you going, though? Oh, it'll be cool. Where did Jupiter go? Where did Jupiter go? Oh, that's Jupiter. Hold up there. Hold up there. This is the police. Why are you escaping? He's like, no, I know what you're going to do to me. You're going to crash me to Saturn. I'm getting out of here. Actually, seriously, where it is? Where is it? It was there 1 second, and the next second it's not. Where did you go? I have plans for you. I have to reset. Oh, this is the 3rd time I've made the game freeze. I am getting very good at the freezing game business. Okay, so we're back in business with the 3rd time of crashing this game. Which says something, I guess. So hello, Jupiter. It'd be a shame if somebody moved you. Oh, let's do some couple spins, and then off into where you go. And do not crash into the sun, actually. Oh, we're heading to a straight trajectory to Earth. Never mind, we're missing. But what's this? He makes a turn to Earth. And he destroys it. Let's see the damage of Earth if there's any left. No, completely annihilated. Today is we play the Jupiter Annihilator, Captain Jupiter. Except he's like evil Jupiter, I guess. Oh, Uranus is right over there. Hello there, Uranus. No, you're supposed to go to Uranus. No, stop. Hold up, stop. No. Jupiter, come back. Jupiter! Where are you going, my man? Come back. Yeah, exactly, come back. Where is Uranus? Where is it? Oh, there it is. Oh, never mind. It's Jupiter. Nah, I guess just go back in the solar system. You know? Yeah. Surely nothing can go wrong. Oh, he was his past again. I need to have a plan. Come back here. He's running away. He knows the truth. But he cannot escape from it. For there is no escape. How about just let me zoom in a bit. And you're just gonna straight up beat yourself at Venus, okay? Cool. Oh wait, are you half destroyed? Oh, I just realized Jupiter has a big chunk. Let me zoom in on the damage to show the viewers Jupiter. Yeah, he has a pretty big chunk. Wow, I did not realize that damage was there. He was pretty good hiding it. Be a shame if you crashed it to Saturn. I messed up my words. Yay. Welcome to episode 1000. Wonder messes up speaking again. What's... No! Come back! Oh, where'd Jupiter go? Oh well, Saturn it is. Hello there. Hey, can you find Jupiter? Because I have no idea where he is. Where Jupiter is? I think he left the sandbox. He truly escaped. He left the sandbox. I guess he really doesn't want to be here. Oh yes. Okay, he said we're on a course straight to Neptune. Let's just move Neptune for position. Okay, can we zoom in, please? On the scene, it's gonna miss. We're just gonna move Neptune right there for an easy shot. And you know what? Just for some kicks, let's just take out some Saturn's rings. Oh, never mind. They aren't an object. Oh, nothing's an object. Nice. I have some ideas now. Just put all the planets. I have an idea and we're gonna do it and you cannot stop me. This is the impact. Took out the rings, took out a big part of Saturn. Saturn is now completely dark. I guess you went to the dark side. So now that we know that the Neptune just sees the alternative timelines of him. Anyway, now that we know, right, that that if you pause, no damage can actually happen. We can get straight up beat the sun out of here. And I broke the game again. Yay! That's the 4th time in one episode. There's got to be some world record. Now I paused everything. Let's just put Saturn through the sun, just for the funsies. Yeah. You heard of Saturn? It's Jupiter plus Saturn. You will Saturn some maths here. And then you add Mars to the equation. Then you have Jatars. I'm very bad at this naming thing. But you have Jatars anyway. Good name or not, you still have Jatars. Go. I sure hope that's not where Jupiter and Saturn is, because that would suck, you know? Yeah, that would suck. Totally. And that's where Jupiter and Saturn were. Okay.